DJing with just a laptop. Mastering the art of mixing. Host, Eston Loyford. Greetings, music aficionados. Welcome back to the Eston Loyford YouTube channel. We're delving deep into the world of DJing with nothing but a laptop. Yes, you heard me right. No fancy decks, no bulky equipment. Just you, your laptop, and a passion for creating musical magic. I'm your guide, Eston, and I'm thrilled to take you on a journey to becoming a laptop DJ extraordinaire. So, let's immerse ourselves in beats, rhythms, and the exciting art of mixing. 1. Can I DJ with just a laptop? Let's address the burning question. Can you really DJ with just a laptop? Absolutely, and I'm here to fully endorse it. Starting with a laptop is a brilliant way to learn the ropes and hone your mixing skills without the financial strain of expensive physical decks. Gone are the days of painstakingly beat matching on old and worn-out gear. The modern era empowers you with automatic sync and a variety of user-friendly DJ software, making your entry into the world of mixing smoother than ever. However, a word of caution. Once you start, you might find yourself addicted to the exhilarating feeling of creating something greater than the sum of its parts. Trust me, crafting that perfect DJ mix is an experience like no other. 2. DJ mixing on laptop. The idea of mixing on a laptop might raise some questions. Let's break it down. First things first, you need a good laptop. It's not just about having any laptop. You want one that can run DJ software smoothly without crashing mid-mix. Though DJ apps aren't overly resource-intensive, the last thing you need is a glitch ruining your performance. Your laptop is your mixing companion, so ensuring it's up to the task is an investment that pays off. 3. DJ software. DJ software. The virtual playground where your creativity takes flight. Most DJ software mirrors the traditional deck setup, allowing you to load tracks onto up to 4 decks, control tempo with faders, and apply looping and effects. It's like having a digital DJ mixer at your fingertips. One game-changing feature is automatic tempo syncing, making sure your tracks harmonize seamlessly. The best part? Many DJ software options offer free versions, meaning you can dive into the art of mixing without hefty startup costs. 4. DJ software for performing live. Ready to perform live and get the crowd grooving? There are some stellar options in the DJ software realm. Let's explore a few. Serato DJ Lite. The beginner's go-to, offering limited features for the aspiring DJ. Serato DJ Pro. The flagship software for professionals, revered by scratch DJs for its DVS functionality. Native Instruments Tractor DJ. Boasting a limited feature set in its free version, it's compatible with select NI hardware. Native Instruments Tractor Pro. A powerful mixing software with an array of effects and the ability to dissect tracks into stems. Atomix Virtual DJ. One of the most downloaded DJ software offerings, featuring a free version and a pro version that's a step up in terms of price. It's known for its compatibility with a wide range of DJ controllers. Pioneer DJ Recordbox. A relative newcomer, it offers limited features but excels in library management. Plus, it's essential for playing music via USB sticks on Pioneer CDJs. 5. Software to create a polished DJ mix. But what if you're aiming for polished DJ mixes rather than live performances? Fear not, for there's software tailored just for that. Let's talk about 2 exceptional choices. Ableton Live. Primarily designed for music production, it can also be used to create DJ mixes. Its workflow and interface resemble a digital audio workstation, DAW, making it intricate but powerful. DJ Studio. This gem comes packed with tools to craft seamless transitions between tracks. It offers harmonic mixing, suggestions for track placement, and the ability to mix with streaming services like YouTube. It's a game changer for those who want to curate radio show-style DJ mixes. 6. DJ controller hardware and audio equipment. Now, let's venture into the realm of DJ hardware and audio equipment. You can start with just a laptop, but enhancing your setup can elevate your experience. MIDI controllers are portable and aid in swift track transitions. However, diving into the world of club DJing might call for a Pioneer CDJ setup, the industry standard for top-tier DJs. Additionally, don't forget about sound cards, headphones, and external sound sources to round out your setup. 7. Which music format? Now, let's chat about music formats, the backbone of your DJing arsenal. There's the debate between WAV and MP3. WAV offers superior quality but occupies more space on your hard drive. Whether the higher quality is worth it depends on factors like your listening environment. Regardless of the format, always support artists by purchasing music from reputable sources. Building a library of cherished tracks ensures your mixes resonate with authenticity. Segment 8. Can you DJ on just a laptop? Wrapping it all up, can you truly DJ with just a laptop? Absolutely. It's how countless DJs kick-start their journey. Armed with a laptop, some software, and a dose of creativity, you can concoct mixes that surprise and delight. Let the music guide you, and don't be afraid to experiment. Remember, every legendary DJ started somewhere, and your laptop is your gateway to a world of musical possibilities. Thanks for joining me on this enlightening exploration of DJing with just a laptop. If you're as excited as I am about this journey, hit that like button, subscribe to the Eston Loyford YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest tutorials. Keep those beats alive, keep mixing, and until next time, groove on.